Hey everyone, and welcome to Pumpkin Abbey. Fall is definitely in the air, which means it's time to start decorating and start switching out some of the planters. Now, ordinarily, I change out the front flower boxes. One of the first things I do. And so I picked up these plants the other day at the garden center, basically white mums, and then these asters, which the asters do not look the best, but they were the last ones they had. They had two of them. And they were the last ones they have, and they have great color. Hopefully the camera is going to pick that up, because sometimes the camera it's not real friendly to purple. But anyway, they're great color, so I'm hoping for the best. They are perennial, so if they don't do well this year, then hopefully, next year they'll come back and they'll do even better. So ordinarily, I change out the front, like I said, I change out the front flower boxes first, but the front boxes are doing so well, I just don't have the heart to do it yet. So I've come up with a plan B. So let me get these repotted, and then I'll show you what I do with them. So since the asters aren't in quite as good a shape, I think I'm going to treat these a little bit different. I'm going to do these in the same pot. And then hopefully, when we get to plant them out in the landscape, we'll be able to separate them again. The roots look pretty good, so hopefully we'll be all right. So here's a final look, and I am really pleased with how it turned out. I have another mum that I've had for a few years that I'll add to it, and if a frost hits and takes out the large planters, I have a plan B for them too. Anyways, thanks for dropping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye.